Okay, so just 1 minute of photo op, please, our distinguished panelists. Just 1 minute of photo op. Okay. Standing. Yes, standing, please. Yes. Okay. Smile, guys. By the way, we are being live streamed. We already mentioned to you the accounts where we are being live streamed. Okay.
There's the guy.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. And then our panelists can now take their seats. Thank you so much. Okay, distinguished panelists, let's pump up the crowd. Let's start with June Del Rosario, and then I'm going to call on you guys. Each one will have a greeting for our audience here in Ontario, California. Let's start with our ABS-CBN Global COO, June Del Rosario.
Good morning, everyone. Maraming salamat po for celebrating TFC's 30th anniversary with us. I'd just like to announce the good news that as of last night, ASAP 2024 is officially sold out.
Yes!
Yay! Woo! Okay. Thank you very much, June. And then we we leapfrog to our ABS-CBN Global Head of Events, Joseph Arnie Garcia.
Hi, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Thank you for coming. So again, no, as June mentioned, we're very glad no, that you're celebrating our 30th with us. And of course, no, sa mga artists natin, no, these guys are very busy, but they took time to be with you. And that's what we envision really, no, to get our artists closer to you guys. So there's no better way of celebrating the anniversary than having us up here with us. So maraming salamat. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Tatalon po tayo kay Maymay.
Hello po. Hello po. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat po. Ako po si Maymay Entrata at sobrang masaya po ako na nakabalik po ako dito po sa California. Sa wakas po hindi na lang po siya mga 2 days. Abot ako ng 5 days, guys. And more. Wow! Bitaw, ma'am. Maraming salamat po sa press family po for supporting po our show. Asap natin to California. Sobrang excited na po kami para po sa mga world-class na performances. Kasama po ang aking isa sa mga pinaka-inidolo po na nandito po ngayon. Kaya sana po abangan niyo po. Yee! Thank you po.
Thank you, Maymay. Okay, there's just a request for people to sit down because I think the cameras at the back cannot capture the, okay. Okay, thank you. So, we're gonna sprint back here to Robbie.
Good morning po sa lahat ng mga kapamilya po natin. Thank you so much for taking the time here. Lahat po ng nasabi na po ni Maymay. Salamat. Wala na po kaming pwedeng masabi. But thank you and we're so excited dahil nalaman po namin na sold out show and it's gonna be a grand kapamilya homecoming para sa ating lahat. So we'll see you on Saturday.
Thank you. And then we're gonna make a dash to Eric.
Good morning everyone. We are so happy to see all of you and maraming salamat. Ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat po kaming lahat sa inyong usual support. Damang-dama po namin ang inyong pagmamahal. Salamat po.
Thank you, Eric. And then we're gonna ping pong, going to Kim.
Hello! What's up, everybody? Hey. Yun. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Nahiya na tuloy ako. Wala nag-react kasi.
Naku, Danimiga! Naku, Danimiga!
Pwede ka ba ulitin?
Go, Biga! Go, Biga!
Diba? Hello, everybody! It's gonna be 100 times more on Saturday. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Tsaka, thank you so much sa pagpunta dito. And then, maraming salamat po ngayon pa lang sa lahat ng mga bumili ng ticket and manonood ngayong Sabado. Thank you very much from the entire ASAP family. Thank you.
Just a shout out for Kim. She won an international award for Best Actress.
Yay!
Speech.
Speech!
What's What's up, everybody? Parang wala ulit.
Okay. So, leapfrog again to Ogie Alcacid.